Hey guys, it's Shane from English Understood here. I got a question the other day from a student who said, how do I use the word having? And this is a really good question because most people know how to use the word have. For example, I have a jumper or I have a phone. But we don't really say I'm having a phone or I'm having a jumper. So how do we use having? One of the main uses of having is when we make something happen or cause something to happen. For example, I'm having my house painted. Who's painting the house? Me or someone else? Someone else. What if I say I'm having my brother go and pick up the parcel from the post office? Who's doing it? Me or my brother? My brother. Another use of having is to experience something. So for example, I'm having a great time at the beach right now. What am I talking about? Past, present or future? The present. Or another example could be, he wasn't having much luck at the casino. We are talking about his experience at the casino. Another use of having is to talk about certain things. For example, if I say, what are you doing? And you are eating dinner, you could say, I'm having dinner. This just means I'm eating dinner right now. And another use of having is to talk about parties. For example, I could say, I'm having a party this weekend. What am I talking about? Past, present or future? I'm talking about the future. Who organized the party? Me or someone else? Probably me, because I said I'm having a party. So these are some of the main uses of having. They are not all of the uses of having, but they are the main ones.